and I'm not alone. After almost 2 years, thousands of images, countless hours learning the perfect prompts. But here's the thing, this video isn't about drama. It's about what's actually happening and what I'm using now. So what's actually going on? Let me break it down quickly. Midjourney dominated 2023 and early 2024. The aesthetic was unmistakable, that painterly cinematic look. But then things slowed down. V6 came out in late 2023, V7 in June 2025. That's over 18 months between major updates. Meanwhile, competitors didn't wait. ByteDance dropped Seedream 4, September 2025. Google launched Nano Banana Pro, and Black Forest Labs released Flux 2 a few days ago. Each model is better in certain things. And artists noticed. My feed is full of AI creators saying that they did a big mistake subscribing, or they cancelled or downgraded, that Midjourney had zero innovation since June. Okay, enough context. Let's test this. Naïa, you ready? It's all yours.
Ready. Thanks for setting this up. All right, let's get into it. So Claudia gave me a challenge. Create the same scene in 3 different tools. Same prompt, same intent. Let's see what happens. Open Midjourney and type this prompt. It will be added in the description as well if you want to test it. In the settings on the right, choose landscape 16:9 for the ratio and V7 for the model. Make sure all aesthetics are turned down to 0. Speed fast and 4 generations and hit enter. Go to create to see your generations and let's see what we got here. Okay, the result is beautiful. That Midjourney look is still there. Painterly, atmospheric, but the text handling still rough. Nice as usual, artistic, but it didn't follow 100% my prompt. Let's go to FLORA to test the same prompt with the other models. If you press I on your keyboard, you will open directly image block. Let's choose Seedream 4 and ratio 16:9. Choose 4 options generations and paste the same prompt we used in Midjourney and hit enter. While waiting, let's do the same and try with Nano Banana Pro model. So again, hit I on the keyboard, choose Nano Banana Pro, ratio 16:9, 4 generations option, and then paste the same prompt again. Let's see Seedream results. Whoa. Okay, look at this. The realism is insane. The detail out of the box. The lighting feels beautiful and it followed more my prompt instructions. As you can see back to Midjourney, a small example, I don't see the wet hair and overall rainy feel like I wanted and instructed. Aesthetically, it's nice, but is it what I wanted? Let's go and see what Nano Banana Pro gave us. And okay, this is also really good. Different vibe though. Nano Banana leans more photorealistic, less stylized than Midjourney. But the text? Look at this. Let me show you all 3 side by side. Midjourney has the aesthetic. It's an artist tool, but Seedream and Nano Banana, they're sharper and honestly catching up on style too. One more test. Image reference, I'm uploading the same reference photo to Midjourney, Seedream, and Flux 2. Let's start with Midjourney and type this prompt. After that, go and add a style that you want your image to follow, and make sure to add it to Style References and hit enter. Now, while waiting, let's go to FLORA and test with 2 different models. In FLORA, import the same image reference and link it to image block and choose Seedream 4 with 16:9, and let's create 2 generations. Now for the prompt, I tweaked it a bit and added a sentence in the beginning to help Seedream understand it better. Follow the color palette and style of the image to generate. After that, the rest of the prompt, same as Midjourney. Now duplicate this block and change the model to Flux 2 Pro and use same settings of ratio and 2 images generation. Let's go and see Midjourney results. Still gorgeous for this. This is where it shines, but it's more like a concept art. I like the style and the artistic result, but I don't like the character and the outfit. It's not what I instructed. Now back to FLORA. Here you can see Seedream that did the mix between the color palette, style, and my prompt. Flux 2 also, especially in the second one, followed the prompt first and injected some colors and style from the reference image, but in both models, I got more of what I prompted.
So, why did I actually cancel? It's not that Midjourney got worse. It's that for my workflow, AI filmmaking, concept art, storyboarding, the alternatives got better. But I want to be fair, Midjourney still has something the others don't: a look, an identity. If you want that painterly cinematic Midjourney aesthetic, nothing else quite matches it. Will I go back to Midjourney? Maybe. If they ship something that is different and that will change the game again, maybe I will. But right now, I'm good. Alright, that's my take. I would love to hear yours. What tools you are using? Did you cancel Midjourney? Did you downgrade? What is your take on this? And if there is any breakdown that you would like me to talk about or to test and do comparison like we did now, Naïa and I, drop a comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.